We will now learn how to pre-configure the PCB. This includes how to change the grid, configure a mechanical layer, and load layer sets. The PCB editor is a grid-based design environment. Design objects are placed on what is referred to as the placement or snap grid. By default, and when no custom grids exists, the board will have a single global board grid whose origin matches the board origin. With the new PCB as active document, let's change the grid. Press Ctrl and the G key to open the grid editor. Within the grid editor, we can adjust the display properties of the grid, using either dots or lines. Changing the color of the grid, as well as the multiplier step between the fine grid and the coarse grid. For this example, let's set a grid of 500 mil. Select OK to close the grid editor. Mechanical layers are drafting layers that are used for a broad variety of tasks. Detailed information used during board design, fabrication, assembly, and product documentation. Now, let's add a new mechanical layer. We will start by opening the View Configurations panel. Let's select the View menu, then Panels, followed by View Configuration. Alternatively, we can simply press the L key to open the View Configuration panel. Let's right-click on Layer, Mechanical 1, and select Edit Layer. Change the layer type to Board Shape, then the layer name to Board Outline. Select OK to close the dialog. Select the Board Outline layer to make it the active layer in the layer bar at the bottom of the PCB editing area. We have explored pre-configuration within the PCB environment, including changing the default grid, configuring mechanical layers, and configuring layer sets.